Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 7.1, Question number 8. Find the values of y for which the distance between the points p 2, -3 and q 10, y is 10 units. So directly you can start. Since distance between the points p and q is 10 units, therefore distance formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equals to 10. Put the values x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, so 10 minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square. Now to remove the root, you can go for squaring on both sides. Only when you will do the squaring, then only root and square can be removed. So by squaring, here root has gone, here 10 square, because right side there is no root. 64 plus a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to this. Everything being together, y square plus 6y minus 27 equals to 0. Splitting the middle term, 9 3 is 27, 9 minus 3 is 6. Open the bracket, take y common, y plus 9 left, minus 3 into y plus 9 equal to 0. Y plus 9 common out into y minus 3 equals to 0. Either or, two answers you are getting, y is minus 9 and y is 3. Now question number 9. If q01 is equidistant from p and r, then find the values of x. Also find the distances qr and pr. First you write the points p, q, r are the given points. Since q is equidistant from p and r, therefore pq is equal to rq. Now both side distance formula, p first, x1, y1, this will be x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, minus minus it becomes plus 3 whole square. Square root of right side, distance between r and q, x1, y1, x2, y2, so 0 minus x whole square plus 1 minus 6 whole square. To remove the root, squaring on both sides, root will go away. So minus 5 square plus 4 square equals to minus x whole square plus minus 5 square by squaring. 25 plus 16 equal to x square plus 25. Different side, same number, same sign can cut. X square equals to 16, x is plus minus root 16, which is plus minus 4. Now when x is equal to 4 plus 4, then q point 01, then r will be, it was x comma 6 actually, but it was x comma 6 actually, but this time it will be 4 comma 6. Then distance qr, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So 4 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square. Result is coming root 41 units. Now p and r, p point 5 minus 3, r point 46. Distance between these two. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Minus minus becomes plus 3. 1 square plus 9 square, it becomes root 1 plus 81, that is root 82 units. Now when x is minus 4, q01 r minus 4 comma 6. Same distance formula qr, square root of minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square. Result is coming root 41 units. Distance between p and r, same way you can start, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Minus 4 minus 5 whole square, 6 plus 3 whole square. Square root of minus 9 square plus 9 square, which is root 81 plus 81, root 162. Now its factor will be 992, so answer is 9 root 2 units. Now question number 10. Find the relation between x and y such that the point xy is equidistant from the points 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Let p, xy, a 3, 6, b minus 3, 4 be the given points. Since the point p is equidistant from a and b, therefore ap is equal to bp. Square root of distance between a and p, x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to same thing, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You don't need to write the formula here, direct you can apply the values. Remove the root by squaring. After that, a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a plus b whole square formula. Here a minus b whole square formula. Different side, same number, same sign can cut. So these two cancelling. Y square cancelling. 3 square cancelling. Remaining minus 6x minus 12y plus 36 equals to 6x minus 8y plus 16. xy bring together. After bringing together, we are getting minus 12x minus 4y equals to minus 20. Minus 4 take out as a common. Then with 20 cancel it. Relationship we are getting 3x plus y equals to 5. With this question number B is completed. Now question number A, MCQ number 1. P is a point on x-axis at a distance of 5 units from y-axis to its right. Then the coordinates of the point P are. This is the right side. From the y-axis 5 units away the point is. So the point, since it is on the x-axis, it will be 5, 0. So number 1 is the right answer. Second question. A circle has its center at the origin and a point 5, 0 lies on it. Now they are telling us 6, 8, this point lies outside the circle. Obviously 6 and 8 lies outside only. So answer is true. Second is the right option. Distance between the points A and B. A this one, B that one. Distance between A, B, same formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Result I am getting 5 units. 4 is the right option. Question number 4. A is a point on the y-axis at a distance 4 units from the x-axis lying below. So since it is lying below and standing on the y-axis, the point should be 0, minus 4. So fourth one is the right option. Question number 5. Distance Q from R and S is same, they said. Then which relationship is true? So Q from R, that is RQ, Q from S, that is SQ, both are equal. Both side distance formula, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Here also distance between S and Q, that is x minus plus 1 whole square, y minus 5 whole square. Remove the root by squaring a minus b whole square formula and a plus b whole square formula. After that x this side, y that side, then some sort of cancellation. Here by 4 I have cancelled. It becomes 3x and 2y. 3 is the right option. Now question number 6. The distance between which two points is 2 units? Just by guessing, number 4 I have written and I have tested also. Distance between 4 minus 3 and 2 minus 3, it came out 2 units. With this our MCQ also gets over. Moreover, exercise 7.1 also over. Bye.